Have you heard about the 5-second rule by Mel Robbins? If you haven't, then I wanted to share with you what this rule is and how you can use it in your life. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Alex Renaud from alexrenaudenergy.com. I am an intuitive guide, a spiritual coach, a singer-songwriter, an author of a book called Self-Confidence, The Gateway to Increase Your Happiness, a Qigong master, and a world traveler. So I'm all of this, and I'm also someone that loves to elevate people's soul. So that's what I'm doing in those videos I'm sharing with you. So I wanted to share with you, today the importance of the 5-second rules and how you can apply it in your life. So the 5-second rules basically is to say to yourself, if you don't feel like doing something, a countdown. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then you do it. You don't do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it's really important to do 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that's it. That's the that's the rules. That's how you're doing it. So, but I just wanted to give you some example of how you can use it in your life. So, for example, you can use it when you're waking up in the morning and you're struggling to wake up. So you can, lots of you guys, or lots of people at least, they use the snooze button in the morning button. So in order for you, for us, for the people that press the snooze button and go back to sleep, when you do, okay, I'm gonna stand up, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, you're gonna feel your body will want to slowly get up, and once you're up, you're already up. So it's a really powerful tool to be able to wake up. Another way to use the 5-second rules is to stop procrastination. And so when you feel like you have to do something, but like you're on your couch, or you do something and that you don't really feel is getting you anywhere, and that you have something to do, then the same thing, like, okay, I have to do this, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, okay, hop, doing it. And so like that's a really powerful tool in order to stop procrastination. Another way is, for example, if you are in a bar or you walk in the street, and like for those of you guys or girls who are single, that's a really powerful tool. So if you feel drawn to talk to someone, you say to yourself 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you go. Because if you don't do that, then your mind will start to chat to yourself, oh, but what if, and you're not gonna act, and you're not gonna take the action in order to go. But if you're like, I feel drawn to go to talk to this person, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then you go. And so you don't really feel, you don't have the time to feel awkward basically. So that's quite a powerful tool. Another way to use the 5-second rules is to be bold. So to use to illustrate what I mean is, like, if you feel like sometimes like you go like in the lake, or you go to a river or whatever, a pool or the ocean, and you're like, oh, it's too cold, but you really want to go in the water, but you're like, oh, it's too cold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, jump in the water. As simple as that. And so that's a few examples that I wanted to share with you. And personally, I love to use it sometimes when in the morning I'm quite relaxed. I wake up and I don't really feel like standing up. I have some lazy mornings sometimes where I feel I just want to stay in bed and not do much. But when I'm saying to myself, okay, I need to do that, like I cannot procrastinate, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, boom, I'm standing up and I'm going to do what I have to do, and it's a powerful tool. So there's many ways to use it, but those are the one that I wanted to share with you guys. And so if you like this video, if you like the 5-second rules, make sure to give it a thumb up on this video and to subscribe on this channel, because I really love to share lots of beautiful value to you guys. So I really appreciate you, and feel free to subscribe on this channel. I already say that, but to subscribe on this, I have a Facebook group also. So there I'm sharing spiritual tips, daily motivational quotes and things like that. So feel free to join the group. And when you do so, you'll be able to have access to my course that's called Wisdom Mastery for free. So in this course, I'm sharing my most powerful life's lesson that I had accumulated over the past 7 years now. So make sure to have a look, and thank you for watching, and I see you in another video.